In this video, we're going to talk about how to add subtasks to your workflow steps. Subtasks allow you to break down larger workflow steps into smaller, more manageable pieces. These subtasks can either be added to your workflow templates or quickly added to an active workflow as more unique responsibilities arise. To get started, let's head over to the workflows section. We're actually going to start by adding some subtasks to an existing template. So let's click on Manage Templates. We'll go ahead and edit this IRA transfer template here. Now, in the first step, which asks me to open up an inherited account, I'll go ahead and add a couple of subtasks. You'll find this icon to the right of the individual steps. The first subtask that I'll go ahead and create is just to make sure that we create the Schwab profile. And I'll want this done 3 weekdays before the actual step due date. I could go ahead and assign that subtask to either the same individual that's assigned to the workflow step or to someone else within the team. I'll go ahead and assign this to the client service associate. Let's increase that priority and save that subtask. Now you can see a list of subtasks on the right-hand side as I'm creating them. Let's go ahead and add another subtask. Let's specify that for this one, we need to initiate the form request via Schwab. And I'll go ahead and set this up to be 2 weekdays before the step is due. And I'll go ahead and assign that to the same client service associate, and we'll go ahead and save that as is. Now, within this specific example, I do have a workflow action set up to open the account in Schwab, so this all really works well together. Now let's go ahead and save that template. And now we'll go ahead and start it. So that IRE transfer, we'll go ahead and start this for our client, Robert. Now, as that workflow is started, you'll see within the individual step that there are 2 subtasks. I could click into the details of the step itself to see those individual subtasks. And keep in mind, as long as that workflow step is active, these subtasks will appear on the assignee's to-do lists. You do have the ability to make quick changes to these subtasks if I wanted to update the due date, change who it's assigned to, or add additional subtasks by simply clicking on Add Another Subtask and specifying what needs to be done. And that's how to add subtasks in your workflow steps. If you would like to learn more, check out our how-to video library.